Hostile attribution bias refers to the tendency to interpret others' ambiguous behaviors as hostile, even when their intentions may be unclear or neutral. When we perceive a threat where none exists, our amygdala activates, triggering our fight or flight response. Our breathing quickens, our muscles tense, our perception narrows to focus only on the perceived threat. This bias developed as a survival mechanism. Better to assume danger and be wrong than to miss a genuine threat. But in a modern society, this hypervigilance often creates problems rather than solves them. The bias perpetuates itself through confirmation bias. We remember the times our suspicions were confirmed and always forget the many times that they weren't. The brain constructs a narrative that reinforces our worldview. In relationships, this bias manifests as constant suspicion. An unanswered text becomes deliberate ignoring. A neutral comment becomes hidden insult. A moment of forgetfulness becomes calculated disrespect. The bias transforms everyday frustrations into personal affronts, and the cycle continues. Perception of threat leads to defensive or aggressive behavior, which in turn, others react negatively, seemingly confirming the original hostile attribution, and so the bias strengthens. Now, it takes work and practice, but we can reframe and rewire our default behavior patterns towards interpretations rather than reaction from instinct. The brain that learned to see enemies can learn to see fellow humans, complex, flawed, and rarely motivated by malice. Most often, others simply are living their own stories, and we are merely background characters.